In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a deposit without invoice in QuickBooks Online. This is perfect for recording money that didn't come from an invoice or sales receipt, such as a loan deposit, owner contribution, bank interest, or a refund from a vendor. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill out, and how to keep your records clean and easy to reconcile. First, open QuickBooks Online and look to the top left corner of your screen. Click the New button. Depending on your layout, you may see a plus icon or a new label. If your left menu is collapsed, expand it so the new button is visible. From the options that appear, choose Bank Deposit. This opens the bank deposit window, which is where you'll record the money arriving in your bank. Think of this page as the digital version of a deposit slip. At the top of the page, select the account where the money is going. Choose the actual bank account that will receive the funds. Next, set the date to match the date on your bank statement or deposit slip. Adding a memo can be very helpful for future reference. For example, owner contribution or loan proceeds. Now enter the details of what's being deposited. In the Add Funds to this deposit section, use one line for each source of money. In the Received From field, pick the person or company providing the funds, or create a simple name if needed. In the Account field, choose the category that best describes the deposit, such as an income account for miscellaneous income, an equity account for owner contributions, or a liability account for loan proceeds. Enter the amount, and, if applicable, the payment method and a brief description. If multiple checks or amounts are being deposited together, add them as separate lines so the total matches the single amount that will appear on your bank statement. Before saving, double-check the account, date, total, and categories. Using the correct account and date will make reconciliation smoother, and choosing the right category ensures your reports are accurate. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. That's it. You've recorded a deposit without an invoice in QuickBooks Online. A quick tip. If you use bank feeds, you'll later match this recorded deposit to the downloaded bank transaction to avoid duplicates. Keeping clear memos and accurate categories today will save you time when you review your books or share them with your accountant. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a refresher while you work.